Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about timestamping methods, part of database management system course. Timestamping is a technique that is used in a database to order transactions in a way that ensures serializability. In timestamping, each transaction is assigned a unique timestamp, and the timestamps are used to determine the order in which the transactions are executed. There are several timestamping methods that can be used in a database. In logical timestamping, the timestamp of a transaction is based on logical position of the transaction in the execution queue. Transactions are assigned timestamps in the order that they are received by the database. And the timestamps are used to determine the order in which the transactions are executed. In physical timestamping, the timestamp of a transaction is based on the physical time at which the transaction is received by the database. Transactions are assigned timestamps based on the system clock, and the timestamps are used to determine the order in which the transactions are executed. Hybrid timestamping combines elements of both logical timestamping and physical timestamping. Transactions are assigned timestamp based on a combination of their logical position in the execution queue and the physical time at which they are received by the database. Timestamping is a useful technique for implementing serializability in a database, as it allows transactions to be ordered in a way that ensures that they do not interfere with each other and produce inconsistent results. However, timestamping can be resource intensive, as it requires a database to maintain and update the timestamps of each transaction. It is important to carefully consider the trade-offs of using the timestamping and to choose the appropriate timestamping method for a particular database and application. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.